everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are staying safe and you all are living a very healthy and happy life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purva, those who are visiting me for the first time, and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. My channel Positivity and Happiness is all about promoting a very healthy and happy life. First of all, I want to say very sorry to all of you because last week I couldn't upload any video just because we are very busy for a trip. Last day we came back from a camping trip. Here in Denmark, the coronavirus situation is good now. So they have opened all the offices, schools and everything. And also the camping trip we planned, it was successful. I went with a lot of my friends there and it was a super fun trip. And my friends, one more thing, my voice is on very downside. I'm so sorry for that because in last 2 days we did a lot of fun, so that's why my voice is almost gone now. I'm so sorry for this horrible voice. So yes, in today's video I'll be sharing a very simple healthy dinner recipe, and it will be weight loss friendly, high protein, high fiber dinner, and of course you can make it within just no time. So today in this video it will be a short video and it will be just a single recipe, and that will be a dinner recipe. So dinner is a very important meal of a day. Today in the lunchtime and in the breakfast also I did lot of healthy eating because in last 2-3 days I had lot of outside food, so that's why I think okay, this is the best time to share a very healthy recipe with all of you. So now without wasting any time, let's start today's video, and please let me know how I am looking in my short hair, because after cutting my hair probably this is the first time that I am showing my face to all of you. So yes, this is how I am looking now. And yeah, most of the time I just put all my hairs here and I just put a clutcher, but yeah, today I just want to show you my hair. This is very short this time, but yes, it's a summer haircut and within just 3-4 weeks I think it will grow again. So thank you so much for watching my vlogs and videos. Now without wasting any time, let's start today's video, today's recipe.
And now let's see all the ingredients that I'll need today to make today's very simple dinner. First of all, my friends, here is very healthy whole wheat tortilla wraps. But yes, instead of these wraps, you can use normal roti or chapati. You can make this chapati at home and you can make the wrap. But today I'm using these outside wraps ready to eat. And here is rajma, already I have boiled it. And here is tomatoes and corn. And also here is cabbage, carrots and some onions. Today I don't have capsicum in my kitchen, but if you want, you can add them too. And now here I have added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the good source of healthy fat and good for your weight loss. And here in the olive oil I have added some whole black pepper. And also for some Indian taste, here I have added 1 piece of dry red chili. And now here I'm adding all the vegetable. And now here I'm adding some tomatoes and corn and rajma, boiled rajma. So yeah, vegetable choice is up to yours. Whatever veggies are available in your kitchen, you can add them in this wrap. Trust me, it will be fiber enriched, super healthy, super delicious, and within just 5 to 10 minutes you can make this delicious dinner. Here as I'm using some Mexican spice mix, but you can use just Indian spices. You can use some Indian spices too here, like roasted cumin powder, garam masala powder, dhania powder or red chili powder. But today I have used Mexican spice mix. But yes, instead of this spice mix you can use just simple Indian spice. Sometimes I use a lot of Indian spice in this recipe too. Here my veggies are absolutely done, my friends, and at the last here I'm using some black pepper powder for extra taste. And now I'm mixing everything well and my stuffing is absolutely ready. Yes, it's looking delicious, super tempting, and my friends, you can use some paneer too, you can use soybean or you can use chicken keema too. And also if you wish, you can use some coriander leaves or dhania patta on top. But yeah, I just love it in this way. Now my stuffing is ready, I'll start making the wraps. And here with help of some butter, I'm heating up my tortilla breads. But my friends, you can always use homemade whole wheat paratha, healthy paratha, or homemade whole wheat chapati or roti instead of these tortilla wraps. Here you can see I have arranged everything on my kitchen countertop. Now I'll start making the wraps. First of all, here is fresh green salad, some cucumber, lettuce and some red onion. Me and my husband, we both love to have lots of salad in our wraps. And here is the stuffing, the rajma stuffing, and also I have boiled one egg to make it even more protein rich. And this part is super simple. First of all, here I'll take just one piece of tortilla bread, and then in the middle I'll add the stuffing. So yes, I was telling you, whatever veggies is available, you can use it. You can use some chicken keema, you can use soybean keema too, or you can use some paneer. And also one piece of boiled egg here I'm adding on top, and some fresh salad. And also my friends, I have added some lemon juice, and here my stuffing is ready. So yes, this is how it looks like. I just want to show you one more time, and this is looking absolutely tempting, and it's packed with health. And some more stuffing, and you can have it just like that, or you can roll it just like a wrap. And here this is how it looks like. One wrap is perfect for our dinner, and this is for me and my husband, and this is how I have decorated the platter. This is looking delicious and tempting. And also my friends, I just want to show you the beautiful outside. Here in Denmark, I told you in my previous vlogs that in the night time too you can see some skylight. So this is how it looks like. And in the summertime, Denmark is a very beautiful country. So now we are going to enjoy this delicious, healthy and super nutritious.
So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed. You can see the outside here in Denmark, around 8:30, 9 o'clock, you can see this much light outside. So it's a beautiful country, especially in the summertime. So yes, now the time is around 9 o'clock and we are going to enjoy our dinner now. And thank you so much for watching today's very simple and short vlog. I'll see you guys super soon with lots of new recipes. Please take care of your health. Always stay positive. Always stay happy, healthy. And also my friends, have lots of fruits and vegetables, and also drink plenty of water. Do your regular exercise and eat your food on time. So I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. Tata, bye bye, love you. Mwah.